How to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook app. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store and look for Facebook app. If there are any updates available, then update the app. Now open Facebook app on your device. At the top right corner, you will see your profile. Click on that. Now click on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. You will land to your settings and privacy. Scroll down to the section Preferences. Under the section Preferences, look for the option Media and click on it. Inside the option Media, you will see various options like these. Now here you will see a section called Autoplay in Feeds and Stories. Under that, make sure to select Never. Just by doing this, will stop most in-feed videos from playing automatically as you scroll. To make sure that this feature applies, go back to your home page. After that, clear all the apps from the background. Then go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, you will see the changes. That's all for today. Thank you.